Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we embark on an educational journey dedicated to creating HTTP custom files to enhance your internet speed. These files are tailored to contain essential HTTP Custom VPN settings, ensuring their security and enabling easy sharing among users. Let's dive into the process. Begin by installing the HTTP Custom VPN app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the application to access its home screen. Within the app, set up the available options to generate your desired files. You have the flexibility to configure V2 settings or refer to the detailed video guide in the description for assistance, as our focus today is on creating these files. Navigate to the plus icon below and select Save Config to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter or edit the file name in the provided fields. Next, click on Unlock All to secure your settings, ensuring all checkboxes are ticked, including enabling their extra sniffer for enhanced file security. Specify an expiry date for the file by selecting the corresponding box. Optionally, you can integrate a customized message within the file using their custom server messages feature based on your preferences. Adjust the settings according to your specific needs before saving your configured file. Once saved, you can confidently utilize or share this file with friends, knowing it contains crucial HTTP custom VPN settings designed to optimize internet connectivity. These files are tailored to augment internet speed effectively. Don't forget to explore our Telegram and WhatsApp channels through the provided links in the description. Show your support by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your feedback in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey to enhance your online experience. Let's work together to elevate your internet connectivity.